Alright, I was asked to make a brace. Somebody asked me, can I see you brazing? And so I'll do one brazing. I'm sorry, I don't have a stand. And if you were looking at my camera right now, my camera is sitting on top of my field piece bag. It wants to fall off, so I have one brass fitting putting weight on the corner of the camera while it hangs off the edge ready to fall. So I'm gonna try to do this without dropping my camera. I have nitrogen going through right now. Let me open up. I already started one. I need to braze this. I think you could see this clearly. So what I will do is I'm going to cap off this high side fitting that you can't see on the liquid line right here. And I'm going to open up, I don't know if you could see this fitting over here in the camera. Let me see what you see. Do you see what I see? You know it's out of focus. There's another ball valve over here I'm going to open up. So I'll get airflow coming out of this fitting by opening up this ball valve. Okay, so now the ball valve is open. The nitrogen is flowing. And I put my face down there. I don't feel nitrogen. Why don't I feel nitrogen? Let's pump it away a little more. Come on, where's my nitrogen? Okay, it's open. I do have it on. Why don't I feel my nitrogen? I hear it. I hear more than I need. Oh, it's coming out everywhere else. Oh, hey, wouldn't it be nice if I opened this? I'm not gonna feel nothing there. Yeah, that was intelligence at its best. Okay, let's turn my nitrogen back up, down, because I turned it up, and like an idiot. Okay, on my upper lip, you can't hear it. That's actually too much. I could feel the nitrogen. And okay, so I could feel the nitrogen coming through my open valve here. I have a wet rag, so just toilet paper or a rag, because my real wet rag, I'm protecting the ball valve there. And I want to protect the ball valve right there. Safety glasses, put those on. Where the hell is my striker? If you remember the movie Airplane, striker. Okay, so we got a little bit of that going, a little bit of that. Too much. I got a hot, fast flame. I'm pointing the flame away from my valve. I do not want to point the flame towards my valve and heat my valve up. Moving it around. I have the sharp little blue tip, what's really hot, not touching the copper because I don't want to blow a hole through it. And I'm waiting until my, there we go. We're there. It's feeding in. Now the silver will go where the heat goes. That's why you see me have the heat so far away from the edge. And that's 10 times more silver than you actually need. If your boss seeing you use that much silver, they'll take it out of your paycheck. And I don't know if you can see this one over here. I won't do that one right now, but that's good enough. And nitrogen's coming out of there. And you can't see the other valve I need to do over there, so I'll kill the camera right there.